Hi, I'm Miss Amy from the Rogers Public Library, and this is for my program Colorín Colorado. Hola, soy la señorita Amy, y esto es para mi programa Colorín Colorado. Today, we will be learning some basic everyday action words. Hoy vamos a aprender unas palabras básicas de acciones que hacemos todos los días. So, let's get started. Our first word is despertar, which means to wake up. To get up out of bed is levantarse. Eating is comer. Going out is salir. Driving is manejar. Working is trabajar. Shopping is comprar. Cooking is cocinar. To shower is bañar, and as you can see, we have this accent over the in, so it's bañar. Sleeping is dormir, and dreaming is soñar. So we have the same thing where we have this little accent over the in, so it's pronounced soñar. For today's craft, I will be showing you how to make some Play-Doh. So I'll tell you the instructions here, but I will also include a sheet in your packet along with the words for this week. All right, so let's get started. Our ingredients are 1 cup of flour, a 1/4 cup of salt, and 1 tablespoon of cream of tartar. And for our wet ingredients, we have a 1/2 cup of boiling water, a tablespoon of oil, some glitter if you want it. We also have some food dye if you want it. And we'll be using 2 to 3 drops of glycerin. We are going to start by mixing all of our dry ingredients together first. So this is my cup of flour. This is my 1/4 cup of salt. And my tablespoon of cream of tartar. And now I'll give that a quick stir. Alright, now I'll set this aside and we will do our wet ingredients. So I'm going to start with my 1/2 cup of boiling water. Then my tablespoon of oil. A few drops of food coloring. I want to make mine yellow today, so I'll be adding some yellow food coloring. And then a few drops of glycerin to help with the texture. Then I'll stir that together. All right, so now we'll pour our combined wet ingredients into our dry ingredients. And then we'll stir until it looks like Play-Doh. And once it's cooled down a bit from the hot water, you can start using your hands. Alright, so our Play-Doh is done and it is so soft. It feels super nice. And you can feel free to do whatever you want with the Play-Doh in case you make it. You can just play with it, you can have fun. Or what I personally did is I molded out a kind of Aztec inspired sun and I let it dry out and gave it just a little extra coat of gold paint and made myself this cute little sculpture. So Again, feel free to do whatever you want. I hope you enjoy your Play-Doh, and thank you so much for watching. Bye!